Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel here. So in this video, I'm going to be discussing the Vidiq Title tool. So if you're struggling with coming up with that perfect title and you don't really know how it measures and if it's even a relevant title, this video is actually going to help you out with that. And if you guys want to learn more about Vidiq, please check the video link down below, as this is going to be a short and sweet video just talking about this title tool because I think it's pretty amazing. And let me show you guys what it looks like without the tool and with the tool. So here we are on the Creator Studio without the tool, and this is a video I have, and this is the product. It's a Xantrex inverter, and before I had Vidiq, I would just call it a Xantrex inverter review. However, that's not going to get the traction that I want. So to go ahead and get better results, I'm going to have to come out with a better title. So let's hop on over to Chrome, and here's the same video, and now I have this little button right here. It says Get AI Recommended Titles. So let's go ahead and click on that. All of a sudden, I get these 5 titles here, and these titles actually have some traction. And now I can try to avoid misspellings, extra spaces, or any other words that should be in that title. So let's go in here and put that same exact title that we had before, and we'll go ahead and hit refresh. All of a sudden, I get this right here. I actually like this title as it's kind of intriguing. And here's a tip: anytime you're coming up with a title for your video, you want to have a little bit of curiosity and mystery in there. If you just say it's the best, people don't want to watch it. I don't know what it is, but we're just like cats and we are curious. So I like this title a lot. And if I wanted to, I can go ahead and customize this a little bit more just to make it very specific to my product review. So this title actually looks very good to me. And one other thing that you want to keep in mind is you want your title description not to be 100 characters exactly. Anything under 60 or 70 is recommended. This one runs a little bit long, but I want to make sure that I'm not just spamming everybody with this review, because this inverter comes in different sizes. And so mine happens to be the 2000 watt inverter in this video. And all I have to do is hit save. And another tip is, if you can, go ahead and take your title and paste it at the very bottom right here in the description. That will help the SEO rank a little bit higher. And there's my short and sweet video about the Vidiq AI title tool. I really think it's an amazing tool. And if you guys want to learn more about Vidiq, I'll have a link to the videos and a link to Vidiq if you guys want to go ahead and just try it out. They have a free service. They also have a paid service, and I'll tell you guys more about that down below. Make it a great day. Thanks again.